Hey guys, Namaskar. This is Anil. I'm again back with you with another session. In the meantime, I am happy to share with you that I have certified all GCP cloud certifications. I will share my Udemy profile. Here I have launched all the 11 GCP certifications you would like to practice and pass your GCP certifications. In the description links, I will provide the link as well. Coming back to session. Today we will discuss about service account and its types. Okay, so what is service accounts in GCP? A service account is a special kind of account typically used for an application or compute workload, such as compute engine instance rather than a person. A service account is identified by its email address, which is unique to the account. In this way, a service account is used for non-human being user, such as application to authorize itself with Google Cloud APIs, for example, BigQuery. Types of service account in GCP. So, as of today, in GCP, we have following two categories of service account. One is service accounts that you manage, that is called user managed service account. Next one is service accounts that Google manage, that's called Google managed service account. User managed service account. User managed service accounts are service accounts that you create in your projects, and hence you can update, disable, enable and delete these service accounts at your discretion. You can also manage other principals access to these service accounts. By default, you can create up to 100 user managed service accounts in a project. If this quota does not meet your needs, you can use Google Cloud Console to request a quota increase. Only user created service accounts count toward this quota. Default service accounts and Google managed service accounts are not counted for this quota. Default service account. Default service accounts are user managed service accounts that are created automatically when you enable or use certain Google Cloud services. For example, compute engine. These service accounts let the service deploy jobs that access other Google Cloud resources. You are responsible for managing default service accounts after they are created. The note here is to know that when a default service account is created, it is automatically granted the editor role. Second variety of Google Cloud service account is Google managed service accounts. Some Google Cloud services needs access to your resources so that they can act on your behalf. For example, when you use Cloud Run service to run container, the service needs access to any PubSub topics that can trigger the container. To meet this, Google creates and manages service accounts for many Google Cloud services. These service accounts are called Google Managed Service Account. By default, Google Managed Service Accounts are not listed in the service account space in Google Cloud Console. You wanted to know the types of Google Managed Service Account. Google has following types of Google Managed Service Accounts: service specific service agents, Google API service agent, role manager for Google Managed Service Account. Now, when you want to view the role grants for Google Managed Service Accounts, This is the screenshot probably you would like to see how it looks. So under principles, at right hand side upper side, if you click on this checkbox include Google provider role grants, you'll be able to see whatever roles are granted for your Google Managed Service accounts in your GCP account. Thanks for your time today and be happy.